Changing faces of poverty in France. Many do not want to speak to the camera or be identified as they collect food. The stigmas around poverty and the shame of struggling to make ends meet are very real. But French charities like Restos du Cœur, Secours Populaire and Secours Catholique know them well. In its 177-page annual report, the Secours Catholique explains how poverty is shifting in France. It found an increase in the number of women and people who live in rural areas that come to them for help. But the biggest jump, it says, is among the elderly. They were just 2.6% of those they helped in 1999. Now it's 7.3%, and it's not just the near tripling of the elderly poor. The report found that many workers also struggle to put food on the table.
We see fewer unemployed and more poor workers. We see temp workers, but also ones with long-term contracts. Even earning minimum wage today rarely permits living decently.
Numbers-wise, what does it really mean to be poor in France? Well, with minimum wage at just over 1,400 euros net and the median income at just over 2,000, poverty is defined in France as living with 60% or less of that. So for a single person, that's living on less than 1,288 euros a month. For a couple with two young children, it's living with 2,705 euros or less. And today in France, according to l'INSEE, nearly 10 million people, or some 15% of the population, live below the poverty line, which they say is a record increase not seen in nearly 30.